YouTube, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Out for another cruise. Alright, what we're going to do in today's video. Well, first off, if you like my channel, if you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button and like my videos. Turn on that bell notification so you get notification when I release a video. Right now I'm trying to release one video a week, Fridays 2:45. Alright, so what today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to kind of shut my mouth about just talking here, and I'm going to let you in my mind. I'm just going to narrate what I'm thinking as I ride. So I know you guys probably will have comments. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I can learn something from you. But coming up here, I'm going to start the narration. I'm going to do this ride for maybe 15 minutes. I know the area I'm going through has some, a lot of intersections and stuff. So we'll get going. All right, so start now. All right, I'm watching this guy. He's going to go turn in front of me. I'm not going that fast. Alright, so a big thing around here, we have utilities, so we have public water, public sewer, all of that. So a big thing going through my mind as I ride is watch for potholes and manholes. I'm scanning at all times. Alright, so I'm on roads I'm familiar with, so I know some hazards that are going to be coming up. So right here I'm watching cars coming down the hill. Good to go. Watch for bumps. Start slowing up here. Even though it's a green light, things are slowing up. I'm going to downshift to second gear. Going to take it easy. I see a turn signal. They see me. Good to go. Big manhole. Swerve around that. Car in front of me is braking. Watching the guy on my left. Guy turning. Making sure I stay far enough away from the car in front of me to give the guy that's turning a chance to see me. If I'm up too close to the car in front of me, can't see me. Alright, I'm going to start slowing down here. There's a green light, but everybody's stopping. Definitely watching in my mirror, watching what the car behind me's doing, how closely he's following me. Okay, I see people cutting around cars, so I'm going to take it easy. Okay, clutch in. I'm in first gear. I'm going to give a lot of room to the car in front of me, so in case somebody comes up fast behind me, I have room to roll forward or off to the side. I'm not right on the car. I'm watching the car coming up behind me. He's stopping, but he's coming a little closer. Alright, gonna start rolling here. Got some debris in the road. Definitely want to leave space between you and the car in front of you. This way you could see the potholes, manholes, obstructions that come out from under the car. Now I got this guy here. In my mind, I'm not going to get too close. Watching the car behind me. He'll get a little close. Some people give you a ton of room, which is nice. Others, they don't care and they'll get right up on your back tire. Alright, watching this guy on my right. He's gonna stop. Alright, giving a lot of room, taking a look at what's going on up here. One of these cars on the left could very easily try to scoot around that car, so take it easy, be aware. Point of no return, I'm going. Always give yourself a point of no return when you're coming up to a light. So we got a motorcycle, he's probably going to wave. Yep, there we go, got the wave. Alright, coming up to a light. Where's my point of no return? Right here. I'm going no matter what, but I'm watching that truck up there. Alright, he's staying put, we're good to go. I got to move over a lane for where I'm going. Signal on, check my mirrors. Quick check over my shoulder, scoot over at the same time, make sure my signal's off, watching the cars in front of me, watching for potholes, watching the lights. All right, so I'm gonna stay in the middle lane. Green light, but there's not a lot of room on the other side of the intersection. I'm gonna kind of roll and hang. Both are green. I'm gonna proceed cautiously. First gear, second gear, checking the intersection, make sure everybody is put. Gonna back off the car in front of me a little bit. I see the truck on the left there. All right, he's going right. All right. Watching everything here. Don't see anybody. All right. Coming down to a red light. I'm gonna start slowing up a little further back than I would in a car. Start downshifting to the gear that matches your speed. I'm in first now, thinking, am I gonna go around these cars and go straight? What are they doing? The guy in front of me's turning. Anybody turning left on the other side? Nope. So I'm good to go. If there was somebody turning left there, I would have went very cautiously. They might not have saw me behind that car. Third gear. A lot of room with the car in front of me. Watching for manholes. Some of them just can't avoid. The roads around here, like I said, suck. If I ride 1 or 2 towns over where they have no city sewer, city water, gas, riding's a lot easier. Left signal on, first gear, a lot of space. I always leave my bike in gear at a light. The only time I'll take it out is if I already have a car stopped behind me. If there's nobody behind me, I am sitting here gazing. I'll take a glance at the light, but I'll watch my mirrors. All right, we got an arrow, so I'm going. Got second gear. I'm gonna give a lot of room for the car in front of me so I can see all of my potholes. That car is parked. There's just so much that goes through your mind when you ride, all right? So narrating it, I might even be missing some stuff, but I'm saying what I'm thinking. All right, coming up here. Nobody here, we're gonna go. All right. Got some pedestrians running on the other side. Parked cars. Always looking for noses of cars poking out of these side roads. There's a truck, but he's not going too fast. Always leave that room with the car in front of you. Gives people a chance to see you. All right, coasting up. Good to go. Got somebody standing on my right. Don't know what he's doing. Okay, the car's in front of me slowing down for some reason or another. Another bike, big wave. Okay, this guy turned his signal on last minute, but I had plenty of room. Okay, saw that pedestrian. Okay, gonna turn right up here, so now I'm gonna turn my signal on. Just gonna roll up. I'm in first gear now, light is green. Okay, slowly look to the left, make sure nobody's blowing the light. Lean to the right. Hit second. Clutch in. Rolling, rolling. First gear, still rolling. Watching my mirror. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Keep the foot on the brake. Bike is still in gear. Watching my mirror, glancing at the light. And we're off. Some potholes there. Watching what's going on in front of me. Looking for places cars are pulling out. I see this guy, he's gonna go. All right, is he gonna stay in that lane? Yes, he is. I don't trust anybody out here, guys. All right, coasting a little bit. All right, slowing up. I'm gonna downshift, second gear. Gonna kind of chill, give myself a lot of space. Somebody turning into Mickey Donald's. Watching this car rolling on my right. Think he sees me. Expect delays. Alright, I got a car. He looks aggressive. He's edging out. That sign kind of blocked me from seeing him, so that means it blocked him from seeing me. Alright, watching that guy for a right on red. Alright, this area of road looks a little bumpy. Keep an eye out for some big holes. Alright, manhole. Start coasting, clutch in. Second gear. First gear. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Foot down, watching my mirror, watching this car come up behind me. Alright, he's slowing down. Stop. A little closer than I like. I like the people that give me more room, but as long as they stop. Big bumps. You can see the markings in the road. They're going to tear the you know what out of this road and ruin another road. I don't know how they get away with ruining them and nobody really truly fixing them. Red light, clutch in, second gear, first gear, coasting, 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 coasting. Car stopped behind me. Okay, full stop on the brake. Okay, here we go. Second gear, third gear. We got some construction up here. I'm gonna get over to the left lane. Signal, look, signal off, nice and slow. I'm gonna downshift to second gear. Okay, keeping an eye, watching what's going on, looking for debris in the road. They're digging, so there's a good chance for dirt, gravel, whatever. Take it slow. Watch for cars on the right. Caution light. Gonna proceed with caution. Alright, they've already dug the hell out of this section of road, so it's all bumpy. Oh god, that was a big one. Couldn't even see it. Manholes. Gravel, gravel. Nice and straight, steady. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Almost wrapping it up here. I'm gonna turn in the lot up here. Turn my cameras off, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave some comments below. Watching in my mirror, making sure the car behind me stops. Leave comments, let me know what you thought. Coasting up. I'm gonna do a right on red into this parking lot. Alright, so this is Carl saying if you like my channel, subscribe, hit the like button, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any videos. Like I said, I'm trying to release Fridays 2:45, but you never know if I have time to do an extra video, whatever. Hit that bell notification and you'll get the notification. So this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.